Ever wonder schedule is less daunting than it seems. Whether it's through the intensity of HIIT, the convenience of bodyweight workouts, or the simplicity of a daily run, there's an exercise for every schedule and preference. Thanks for tuning in to today's guide on the 7 most effective exercises for busy people. I hope it inspires you to incorporate fitness into your hectic life, proving that being busy doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.